Now I'm going to try and bring a chicken to a very high place and jump to see how far you can glide with a chicken. I don't really know where I'll go. I think I could just go to Death Mountain, but I'm not sure if that's house place or not. So here we go. Oh, I've already died once and I have to go back and get. Oh well, now I have to go back and I never realized how many guardians there were all over the place until I tried bringing chicken all the way to Death Mountain. I hope my chicken's still there. I don't know if it is or not, but I guess I'll see you in a minute. Oh, yep, he's still there. Okay, that's good. There's a bunch of these Jaeger calling guys too, but it's not too hard to get away from them as long as there's not a bunch of other monsters. But oh, I guess you can fly with a chicken like that. I didn't know that. I'm gonna see if there's anywhere else I can find chickens. You can find some chickens in some other places, but I don't know where to really get one besides town. But these guardians here are getting really annoying. I don't really know what to do about them. Oh, well, I don't see my chicken now. Might have to go get another one. I couldn't find my chicken after I fought that guardian, so I guess I have to go get another one now. I think I'll just find a different mountain. Death Mountain. It seems way too hard to get to. I found out Mount Lenara is actually the tallest mountain, so I'll try to go there, but I'm not sure if I can get there or not. I might just find a different mountain on the way. So I got close to the Lenara Mountain, but I don't know if you can climb it with a chicken, so I'm just going to climb up this tower right here at Hateno Village and jump off the top of that and land in the ocean because I don't think I actually have enough stamina will to make it up and to glide that far anyway. So this will be there in a minute. I hope you like the video so far. It might not be that interesting, but hopefully it turns out good. If you like it, it'd be nice if you liked the video. Thanks. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. No, I just can't do it. It's too scary. Oh, I'll do it anyway. Well, this might take a while. Seems like it's gonna be a long ride. I'll probably just run out of stamina wheel. From what I can tell, I don't know if there's really any difference between the glider and the chicken for flying. But there might be, but it's probably not a very big difference from about how far you can glide. Okay, this is taking a while. I might speed this up a little bit. Okay, so it looks like I might almost make it into the water without running out of energy. But let's see. Oh, nope, energy. So it can go pretty far. Not sure how far of a distance that was, but I think it went pretty far. Sure you remember to subscribe.